Hello, food lovers. Welcome to another exciting episode where we bring the vibrant flavors of India right into your kitchen. Today, we journey to India for a culinary adventure. Imagine the bustling spice markets, the colorful street food stalls, and the rich aromas filling the air. We will learn the secrets of butter chicken, one of India's most beloved dishes. Watch closely as we reveal the techniques and ingredients that make this dish so special. It is a dish of tender chicken in a creamy tomato gravy, infused with a blend of spices that create a symphony of flavors. Each bite is a burst of flavor, a perfect balance of savory and tangy, with a hint of sweetness. Butter chicken is a favorite in Indian restaurants around the world, known for its rich and creamy texture. Now, you can make it at home. Follow our step-by-step guide and bring the taste of India to your dining table. With this guide, you'll feel like a master chef, impressing your family and friends with your culinary skills. Are you ready? Let's begin our culinary journey. Gather your ingredients, tie your apron, and let's get cooking. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. This is a crucial step to ensure we have everything we need within arm's reach. It makes the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. You can find most of these at your local grocery store. Take your time to pick the freshest ingredients, as they will make a significant difference in the taste and quality of your dish. Chicken. We need boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They stay juicy and flavorful, making them perfect for our recipe. Make sure to trim any excess fat for a cleaner dish. Yogurt, plain yogurt, is our marinade base. It tenderizes the chicken, infusing it with a tangy flavor that enhances the overall taste. Use full-fat yogurt for the best results. Spices. We'll use ginger, garlic, turmeric, and chili powder. These spices add depth and complexity to our dish, creating a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes give the sauce its base. They provide a natural sweetness and acidity that balances the richness of the other ingredients. Chop them finely for a smoother sauce. Cream. Heavy cream adds richness and creaminess. It gives the sauce a luxurious texture that coats the chicken beautifully. Be sure to use fresh cream for the best flavor. Butter. Unsalted butter gives the dish its name and flavor. It adds a smooth, velvety finish to the sauce. Use high-quality butter for a more pronounced taste. Now, let's marinate the chicken. This is important for flavor and tenderness. In a bowl, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. Add the chicken pieces. Make sure each piece is coated well. Cover the bowl and let it rest in the refrigerator. 2 hours is good, but overnight is even better. After marinating, it's time to cook. The marination process infuses the chicken with flavors, making it tender and juicy. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Heat a generous amount of butter in a pan. Once the butter has melted and is sizzling, add the marinated chicken pieces. Cook them on medium-high heat until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is crucial as it locks in the flavors and gives the chicken a nice crust. Once the chicken is golden brown and cooked through, remove it from the pan and set it aside on a plate. This will ensure the chicken remains juicy and doesn't overcook. In the same pan, add finely chopped onions. Cook them on medium heat until they become soft and translucent. The onions will add a sweet and savory base to our sauce. Next, add chopped tomatoes, freshly grated ginger, minced garlic, and finely chopped green chilies. These ingredients will build the foundation of our sauce, adding depth and complexity to the dish. Cook the mixture until the tomatoes soften and break down, stirring occasionally. This will create a rich and flavorful base for our sauce. Now, it's time to add the spices. Add a blend of your favorite spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. Stir them into the mixture and cook for a few minutes to release their aromas and flavors. Add the cooked chicken back into the pan, mixing it well with the sauce. Ensure that each piece of chicken is coated with the rich and flavorful sauce. Let the chicken simmer in the sauce on low heat. This will allow the flavors to meld together and the chicken to absorb the delicious sauce. To make the sauce even richer, add a generous amount of cream and a knob of butter. This will give the sauce a silky texture and a luxurious taste. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens and the chicken is cooked through. The sauce should cling to the chicken, creating a perfect harmony of flavors. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings as needed. You can add more salt, pepper, or any other spices to suit your taste. Your butter chicken is ready. Serve it hot with naan or rice and enjoy the rich, creamy, and flavorful dish you've just created.